Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you create a Wise account in a very easy and clear method. So let's jump right into it. But first, let's open your store and make sure we have the Wise application updated for everything to work properly. After that, we can quit the store and open the app. It should look like this. Wait for it to load up and then tap on get started. Now from here, since we don't have an account, tap on register. And as a first step, we need to type in your email correctly and then tap on next. Now Wise will send you a confirmation email. So tap on open email and here find the email and then go ahead and tap on confirm my email right here. And once you find this screen on your browser, let's go ahead and go back to the app where we can carry on in creating our account. Now from here, you choose whether you want a personal account or a business account. I'm gonna choose personal. Then here, I'm gonna choose my country and then tap on next in the bottom. Here I can see what I can do with my Wise account in the country that I have chosen. If it looks good to you, let's tap on next in the bottom, where you will be taken to the last step. Here type in your phone number correctly and then send the code in the bottom. Once you get the code, type it in and congratulations, you have yourself a Wise account. Now if you want some services that you cannot use, you can always use Surfshark VPN. This will bypass the country limits or the area limits, where you can use features that are available in other places but not available in your own place right here. This works for other apps as well, like Netflix and so on. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.